Hi guys. Today I am going to show you the GPS data function on the GoPro Hero 10. A little about myself. I am a driver, born and raised in Michigan. I hope you don't mind that my license expired. I always drive like a maniac, so watch out and stay out of my way. The GoPro is recording sensor data, and I use this third-party software from that Spanish dude from Barcelona. You can modify the gauges with color, size, and create all kind of variations for your videos. The first one I can show you here is the default set for bicycles. It is optimized for distance traveled and elevation data. In the second part of the video I can show you the default set for driving a car on the road. Wow, let's stop at this stop sign first. Distracted driving is always prone to accidents. We are going to avoid that by paying full attention to the road. How do you like my driving style? Are you excited yet? Now let's look at this here. The lower left corner shows my speed. Today we are staying within the limits of the law. We don't want the cops to come after us in the middle of my video. When I pull this sharp turn, I was expecting a G-force gauge on the screen. But that one is not part of the bicycle template, I guess. Now we are going uphill. This gauge shows you the current grade we have to battle. But my car has about 300 horsepower. That is plenty for what I am going to show you here today. Down here is a graph of the elevation for our whole trip. That is pretty neat. And below that you can see the chrome letters from that Jeep logo on my hood. Our trip is going to be 2 miles today. Here on the lower right corner in the compass you see our vehicle heading. In the upper right corner a 3D map. That is an open source map, it even shows 3D buildings in it. On the left side you see a map with our route, and a location marker with our current position. In the center here the overall progress on our 2-mile-long trip. This one here on the left is interesting. It shows how many feet we struggled uphill, and how many feet we coasted downhill. You thought I was going to lose it on this turn, did you? But no, I have good tires, my friend, and I know how to drive. Wait when there is more snow and ice on the road. That is going to get you excited for sure. The GoPro is mounted far up front, and the lens setting is a very wide-angle super view. That makes it look much faster than it really is. The Hero 10 has this special glass that protects the lens. But today it is not very self-cleaning at all. Oh, do you see the snow and ice on the road? We are sliding. You see all those glares and flares on the screen. By the way, do you think I talk too much? Are you already annoyed with me? Should I say less, or do you want to know more? I figure you are lonely, and why else would you watch a video like this? Please sit tight and wait for the next part of this video. You see all those glares and flares on the screen. Another stop, and then I'm going to show you the default car driving template. This crap on the lens is not great at all. We are going over 25 miles per hour, and the wind force should blow that dirt off the lens in a heartbeat. It doesn't work. That is so bad. You think this could be salt on the lens? Did they put salt out? That is a valid question, do you think? Alright, I'm going to switch to the car driving template. This software has so many templates. It can do this for DJI drones too. That is a whole another video about that. Hello there. Here we are in this car driving template. It looks much simpler, but it has the G-force sensor here in the middle. I think you can figure out what all those gauges show. This is not as exciting as the bike template, but I hope I was able to show you a few good gauges that the software can display on your video. For me, this was the first time that I used this program. It is pretty easy to use, and I am sure I will have more videos with telemetric data on the screen soon. I was planning on getting an electric bicycle soon, and I can't wait to time-lapse a few of my bike rides with the GoPro. I just have to wait for the winter to go away. Here in Michigan, that is usually 8 months out of the year when it is too cold. I should really move down to Florida, closer to Steve W.B., where it is always warm and cozy. Not enough talking, and as the fish always says in his vlogs, I said a lot, I saw a lot, and I think a lot, or something like that. I hope you had a nice ride with me here. My name is Ann Carr, your driver today. Oh, there is one more thing. Maybe I can ask you a favor? While you enjoyed this video so much, do you mind to share it with your friends? I would also like it if you could hit the like button, and of course the share button too. My greatest hope is that you are already a subscriber, and if not, that you hit the subscribe button, and also that you hit the bell down there. That would make me really happy, and I could sleep better tonight. To be honest, if you are still watching, I have to tell you, I don't believe you hit the like and share button yet. I just don't feel it. Do you want me to not sleep tonight? I think I am crying now. Please hit all those buttons. Do it for me. I promise I stop talking when you do, please. If you want me to say something special to you, I can do that if you like this video for me. What do you want me to say? Okay, I say it. I love you. Yes, I said it. I can say it again. Here, I love you. This is your driver and car. Have a good night. See you next time.